What's up everybody, welcome to another video. I'm here at the beach. Like I said, with the GoPro and with the head strap. Now I want to talk about something that's very good for helping people. Now what is it? How to keep motivated and continue exercising. For example, I'm not the biggest fan of exercising. Not too many people are, because it takes a lot of hard work and mind power. Okay, so I came up with this theory how to fix that problem. Since I love filming so much, I decided to take the filming and the jogging and put the two together to create the filming workout, and that will help me stay motivated to continue the workout, the daily jog. And surprisingly, I'm actually looking forward to doing these things when put together, and I think that is a really big help. So with that being said, my people, my friends, my viewers, let's get to it. Okay people, I'm all set. The looks I'm getting with this head strap mount, people are thinking I look really stupid, maybe also you viewers, but that's the beauty, is that you don't give a shit and you do what you love and what helps you stay motivated. And this helps me stay motivated to jogging. So anyways, I got my head strap ready, got my MP3 ready, got my watch ready, and I'm all set to go, people. So let's do that. Oh my god, I reached the place, people. You can hit. So people, that's it for the motivated jog, with thanks to the help of the GoPro and the head strap. I'm so happy I accomplished new heights per se today. Like, as you've seen in the video, I did the whole thing back and forth in only one stop. Holy crap, one stop, I did the whole thing. Oh my god, holla, new record. Plus I did extra long on the stretches, plus I did extra long on the sack, practicing the Muay Thai. I am personally proud of myself, people, and I hope you guys do similar things, that at the end of the day or run or exercise, you feel extremely proud on what you have accomplished. Till next time, be safe, take care, have fun, and peace out, people. Bam!